Open WhatsApp and from the main screen tap the icon to start a new chat. It is the symbol in the shape of a comic book with a pencil, at the bottom right on Android or at the top right on iPhone. Once inside, select the item New Group. Now the list of your contacts will open. Here you can select all the people you want to add to the group. You can choose a minimum of 2 participants and up to 1024 people, if you have the latest updated version of the app. After selecting the contacts, tap the green icon with the forward arrow on Android, or the item Next on iPhone. At this point you have to enter the name of the group. Choose a clear and recognizable name. It can be the name of the class, the family, the project, or whatever you prefer. You have up to 100 characters available. You can also add a photo to the group. Tap the camera icon to choose an image from the gallery, take a new one or search for an emoji. When you are ready, tap Create. In a few seconds, your group will be ready to use. All participants will receive a notification and can start writing. You can change the group settings at any time. Tap the group name at the top, and from there you can change the photo, add or remove participants, appoint new admins, or set who can send messages. That's it. Now you know how to create a WhatsApp group and start communicating in an organized and fast way with multiple people at the same time. If it was useful to you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.